Hello everyone, I am Anton Subarno from Indonesia. It is my honor to present my research in this conference. Thank you for the conference committee. My research is entitled The Effects of Captioning Committee Video on English Listening Skill of EFL Learners. This presentation has 5 parts. 1. Biography. 2. Abstract. 3. Research design and method. 4. Findings. And 5. Conclusions. Let me start with my biography. I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Office Administration Education, 18 Maret University. My research interests are on the online learning and teacher professional development. My previous research can be found on Google Scholar and ORCID, and I am still working on a research project on digital learning media, on archival learning materials website based in vocational schools. Let's move to the abstract. The purpose of this study is to compare the progression of English listening comprehension capability between caption video group and non-caption video group of English as a foreign language or EFL learner. The material of English listening test is a committee video, and 51 students at 18 Maret University were involved, and the repeated measure analysis of parent was adopted to distinguish caption video and non-caption video group, and the results show: 1. Successive practice test on non-caption video group was statistically significant on English listening skill. 2. Successive practice test on caption video group was statistically significant on English listening skills. And 3. The trend of improvement of successive practice test on caption video group is increased, while the non-caption video group decreased on week 2 and week 5. Next, to the research design and method. Total participants in this research is 51 students, 42 female and 9 female. Participants in non-caption video group is 26, and caption video group is 25 students. All participants get pre-test on week 1, then the treatment week 2 until week 5. Every week, short video committee played in 7 minutes, and then followed up by the 13 questions. Video committee and question on week 2 to be repeated on week 3, week 4, and week 5. On week 5, the duration of video committee is 28 minutes, and the total questions is 34 items. Correct answer was scored 3, and wrong answer was scored 0. The average score of the correct answer used as the main data. Let us move to the data description. Talking about the result of this research, we can see from the table that the test consists of 5 tests. Week 1 until week 5. Test 1 is pre-test. Test 2, treatment 1. Test 3, treatment 2. Test 4, treatment 3. And test 5, treatment 4. Data for each test was analyzed using Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. And it is for check the normal distribution, and it can be seen that the data significance all of the tests is higher than 0.05, and also in the caption video. It means that all data, each test is normal distributed data. And then the repeated measure. As we can see here that the F-test on non-caption video group is 4.05 with significance 0.00. It means that the repeated measure of successive practice tests on non-caption video group has an effect significantly. This also happened on caption video group. The F-test of repeated measure of caption video group is 16.45 with significance 0.00. It means the repeated measure of successive practice tests on caption video group has an effect significantly. The progression of English listening comprehension skill. The progression of listening comprehension skill on caption video and non-caption video group a little bit different. On caption video, on the right side, there's steadily increase. But on the non-caption video, the left side, this is it describes so that it a little bit fluctuated. It means that on the caption video, the participant on this caption video is relatively understand word by word, understand the content of video comedy. On the other side, that the participant on non-caption video is sometimes they can understand and sometimes they lose to understand the content of comedy video. The last, the conclusion. Based on the finding, it can be concluded as follows. 1. Successive practice tests can improve English listening skills. It can be seen from the two groups, non-caption video and caption video, that the successive practice test has statistically significant on English listening skill. You can see here F-test on the part of the group with significant less than 0.05. 2. Successive practice tests on caption video group increases higher than the non-caption video group. It can be seen from the F-test 16 larger or higher than 4.05. And 3. The trend of successive practice tests on caption video group is steadily increased, while non-caption video group is fluctuated slightly. That's all my presentation, and thank you.